Good day everyone. Welcome to WP Fraternity. Today we are going to see how we can add social media sharing button to our website. Now let's say we have a website or our blog and we want to our visitor to share our content to their social media platform. You can do this by adding social media sharing button like this. So after watching this video you will be able to add social media buttons like this, for example on the under the post, or like this floating button. So the whole procedure will be on 3 steps. First one will be the installing the plugin. So we will go to the website and click on add new plugin. So we will search by social sharing. We are going to use this plugin. Now this plugin is installed. Now we will click on active. After the plugin is getting activated, we will get this menu bar on our admin dashboard. We will go to this dashboard. Now we will go to the standard interface. In here we will select the social media. For example, Facebook is already clicked, so right now we will not need the Reddit, so we will uncheck this one. For example, we will uncheck the mix as well. So as you can see, whenever we checked or unchecked, this icon will be added in here. For example, let me show you this one. So this is how it works. For example, LinkedIn will be fine. We'll uncheck this one. Pinterest is not needed. So we have added the social media platform. Now one of the great thing is now we can rearrange this social media platform as well. For example, if we want to show LinkedIn after Facebook, we can do this. Now we will click on save changes. We will go to post. Let's view this post. We will see the social media. This is showing because this has been already configured floating, so we'll go into that later. So this is how we can add this social media sharing button under the post. Now if we want to show this social media under the post, for example in here, we can do this too by changing the placement. For example, we will go to the placement. The placement will be the post and page. With the page is not needed, so we'll uncheck this one. So more button is not needed, we will uncheck this one as well. So as you can see, the position to respect the content, top of the content and bottom of the content as well. So we'll save changes. If we go to the post, before reloading, as you can see there is a plus button. If we click, the more social media share will be shown. As we have disabled it on the settings, now it shouldn't show. So we click on this, the plus icon is not there, and under the content the social media share has been added as well. So this is how we can add social media sharing button on the post. Now this is the floating sharing button and this is coming from in here. So just before adding the social media on the post, we can checked unchecked as well. For example, we don't need the Pinterest right now. For example, for now we will uncheck the LinkedIn as well. So on the home page, the placement home page, we don't want to show the floating sharing button on the post or page. We want to show on the home page only. So now we will click on the save changes. If we go to this post, reload this one, the floating bar will not appear in here, but if we go to the home, so it should show in here, but it's not. So let's see what is happening. So it's because we didn't configure the home page So let's check this sample page as a home page. If we click save changes and click again, as we can see, the social media share will be appearing here. So this is the thing you might get confused. So this is how we can resolve it. So we will go to the social media sharing button again, floating interface. We don't need the more icon right now, so we'll save the changes. If we go to the page, the more icon will not show. So this is how floating social media sharing button can be added, and the social media sharing button can be added on the blog post as well. So now there will be a scenario we want to show the count. So if we go to the social media share, show the share count, we will click on this one, save the change, and we will reload this one. It won't show because we need to, in order to show that, we need to configure the social media share count. It is the pro feature. So this is how a social media share and social media count can be shown on the post and on the home page as well. Now how we can add the social media share on the WooCommerce or WooCommerce product page. So before that, one thing I would like to show, that is, for example, the social media share icon are showing like this one, for example square. So if we want, we can show this rectangular shape floating. We can show rectangular. So save the changes, go to the page. So this is rectangle shape. So this is how we can change the interface as well. Now let's activate the WooCommerce. So WooCommerce has been activated, and we will go to the social media sharing settings again. We will go to the standard interface. We will see on the placement, we will see more option, for example product, WooCommerce product page, WooCommerce thank you page. Now we would like to show the social media sharing on the product, WooCommerce product page. Let's hit the save changes, and let's go to the WooCommerce all products, and let's view the product, and the social media share has been added to the social WooCommerce product page as well. So this is how we can add social media sharing button on our blog post, on our home page. We can show social media sharing floating button as well, and the WooCommerce as well. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.